Well, hey everybody. Well, we're just getting a lot of work done here. Amy's here with me today. She came down for the weekend to get this work, help me, and Jeff's, of course, working hard, creating stuff and fabricating, making, and it's just pretty amazing. He's got a good workshop, and so things are moving along really well. This is where the leak would be, and it would come down straight from here. Sometimes it would run through here, but when we did the test, it was actually leaking from up here. So let's fix that. Like that?
Mm-hmm. Yep.
Oh, interesting.
Yep, it was like that.
Okay.
And I had an F for where it was forward. So
Okay.
I have it. So that was like that.
Okay.
And this was like in here. Here's the screws. I don't know. That almost looks like it was trying to filter it like a screen. It's not nasty.
Keeps bugs out.
Oh, okay. Well, and then these looks like these broke off, and it actually didn't feel like anything broke. So they must have been broken for. And then there was none in the other ones. So, and then that flipped over.
That's just silicone that someone shot in the hole.
Oh, it's not even a plug. Okay.
Yeah.
I thought maybe it was like a solid plug. Okay.
No, I think it's just silicone that someone put in the holes
Okay.
to seal them. Now, why did they feel the need to seal? Let's see, what did that do that changes anything? So, this is quick. So, what will happen, I think, oh, it's had its own little gasket system. And, and here's why it's leaking. Gasket system is discontinuous. See how it's torn in?
Yeah.
So what
Which is odd. Like, where would it have gone?
Polymer shrink. So this is actually pretty clean. That's actually really clean. We could take a little bit of butyl tape and wrap it around here. Bolt this down. Take some silicone and shoot it into the holes. For reasons that are not clear to me why you would do that. That's actually not completely clear to me what they were thinking there. Maybe that was an alignment thing, I don't know. The other thing we'll do is we'll flare these holes. So I'll go get my drill and so we can flare those holes so they get a better seal. And then just with these screws go through your hatch, we're going to put a little bit of butyl just in those 3 locations. And maybe we take a few minutes and we just get that done real quick so that if it rains, you're all sealed in. Part 1, and this is labeled forward, so we know where the that is.
Yep, straight forward this way.
Okay, is there anything I gotta do before I screw this down? No, I don't think so.
Okay, and those screws, that's only 3, so that's this one.
Right.
Okay, so you want the forward one first. I have forward port side.
Are they different?
Yeah, they're actually different lengths.
Well,
interestingly, this has different
wait a
lengths
minute,
too.
you got this thing labeled forward, but it has to be that way.
Actually, it wasn't all over the screw line, so this is most forward, and that lines up to that screw.
I see, right, okay.
So this one's the forward port side,
Okay.
where your left hand is.
Oh, you know what we never did?
Flare it.
Flare it. I'll do that next. Which is kind of gross, but we wash out with a washcloth most of the time.
Well, yeah. Or today,
Or
even in the military, it's wet wipes, baby wipes. Yeah.
Well,
I hate baby wipes.
Well, I'm just saying.
I know.
I don't like them either because they leave a lot of residue.
Yeah.
Well, you just do, but.
Nice. You got the right tools. That one didn't start to screw down. That hole may be stripped. Is that just sitting in here? It's inside here.
Yeah.
Interesting.
Actually, I'm trying to think. I think it was there, yeah.
Same spot. It's
Yes, how it was.
Okay.
I don't know why it must have shrunk.
Well, you got some tape? Just a little tiny piece of tape just to hold it until we get it assembled. That looks pretty good. Okay, so a little square here of the butyl.
So here's the test with the hose to see if the leaking has now been fixed.
Anything?
No.
Oh, wow.
Nothing.
All right.
Dry as a bone.
So the first part of this is that it's really great to be able to fix a leak that's been giving you trouble for a long time, especially when it's over where you sleep. But the lessons in this were that we didn't just tear everything apart. We took some time to figure out where the water was coming from. And where the water was leaking in was a spot that was really easy to fix compared to taking the whole hatch off, and taking the hatch out of the deck, and taking the liner down to get the hatch off the deck and putting the liner back. So part of the story here is take your time, figure out what the problem is before you start trying to solve something that may not be the problem.